more researchers working with more organisms. What we hope to solve through this work is to accelerate research across the board in fungi and archaea. Early in my career, I worked on very established model organisms. I worked with E. coli, I worked with baker's yeast. I worked with organisms that have a full community of researchers around them. There are protocols, there are databases. It is very easy for a researcher to start working with these microbes. And then in my postdoc, I tried to work with a marine bacteria. And suddenly, most of the methods I knew and wanted to use, they weren't working that well. And turns out that is not uncommon. That happens especially in fungi and archaea that are understudied. So Cultivarium is trying to address this gap. What we try to do is enable genetic research on organisms that are not typically being used in the lab by developing hardware, software, and molecular tools. And the goal is really to understand biology in a more comprehensive way. So if you can study something, you can better understand it and maybe develop therapies related to models that we don't yet have.